back students to standard 10th maths chapter 5 arithmetic progressions, and we are in the 11th session. We are solving objective questions. All right, we solved some MCQs. Now we are going to see very short answer questions. Okay, all right, the first one is what? Define arithmetic progression. Do you remember the definition? It's a progression. I used many words: sequence, series. All right. Okay. So a sequence of numbers. Sequence of numbers. Let's say A1, A2, A3, A4, AN. Such that, yes, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3, all right, is equal to AN minus 1 is equal to D. Then the sequence is known as AP, arithmetic progression. So that's the definition, children. Clear? All right. Second one. Write the sum of first n odd natural numbers. मैं याद ही करा देता हूं. All natural numbers, then even natural numbers and odd natural numbers. Sum of all natural numbers Sn is n into n plus 1 by 2. Only the even natural numbers Sn is n into n plus 1. And odd natural numbers is Sn, that is equal to n square. Here what we are asked, sum of all odd natural numbers, all odd natural numbers. So Sn is equal to n square. Or children, you may take 1, 3, 5, 7. If you forget this formula, all right, then here A equal to 1 and D equal to 2. And the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So that is n by 2 into 2a. That is 2 into 1. That is 2. And value of D is plus 2. So plus 2 into n minus 1. So that 2 is common. That is n by 2 into this 2 is common. Bracket may 1 plus. Yeah, the bracket is left n minus 1. That is gone, 2 is gone, n, and n is left, n into n square. That is the formula for sum of n odd natural numbers. Moving on to the next one. And that is number 3. Write the sum of first n even natural numbers. Here is the answer. N even natural numbers. I am writing directly. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. If you want, you can take the AP even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, Okay, here A equal to 2 and D is also 2. Then put this values of A and D in this and you will get Sn is equal to this. Okay, ab dekh lijiye. Number 3 is done. Number 4, write the value of A30 minus A10 for an AP. Children, you know A30 minus A10. That is 30 minus 10D, 30 minus 10 times D. आप याद करो, D is equal to AM minus AN upon M minus N. So take this M minus N with D. So 30 minus 10 times D is that. So that is 20 into D. Now AP is given to you. So 9 minus 4 is 5. That is D. That is equal to 100. So this is 100. Alright, fine. आपको A30 और A10 अलग अलग से नहीं ढूंढना है. Alright. Number 5. Write the nth term of AP, sum of whose n terms is Sn. Oh children, nth term An in terms of sum. Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1 gives you the nth term. याद है? Alright. Okay. Chal. Now, next one, number 6. Write the fifth term from the end of AP 3, 5, 7, 9, 201. So AP is this 3579 dot 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 201. Children, here A is 3 and D 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now I am going to write AP dash, which is in reverse order. 201 dot 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 9753. Children, here A is 201 and D plus 2 था तो minus 2 हो जाएगा. And you are supposed to find the fifth term from the end. So that means A fifth term from end of AP is equal to A dash 5. That is A dash plus 4D dash. ये A dash और D dash है second AP का, क्योंकि AP dash है. So 201 plus 4 times minus 2, that is 201 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3, 193. So answer is 193. Fifth term from the end is 193. Children, हम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते थे. ये इससे 2 fifth term from the end. Yeah, this is 2, इससे 2, ये last term है. So first term from the end. Second term 2 कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि common difference is D. So that is 199. Third term और 2 कम हो जाएगा 197. Fourth term और 2 कम हो जाएगा 195. और fifth term from the end और 2 कम हो जाएगा, and that is 193. 193. Got it? Alright. Number 7. Write the common difference of an AP whose nth term is this. Alright. Nth term is given 3n plus 7. Now you need common difference. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So find out A1. What is A1? 3 times 1 plus 7, and that is 10. And what is A2? 3 times n, that is 2 plus 7, and that is 13. So now A2 is 13 minus A1 is 10. So common difference is 3. Clear? Okay. The next one. Which term of this sequence is the first negative term? हम कहते हैं कि kth term. So AK is less than 0. First negative term means less than 0. So AK formula A plus K minus 1 into D is less than 0. Instead of equal to, there will be less than. Now what is your first term? 114. Or D की value 109 minus 114, that is minus 5. So it will be minus 5 times K minus 1 less than 0. ये पूरा टर्म उस तरफ ले जाओ. 114 is less than. ये माइनस वाला था प्लस हो गया. Alright. So that gives me 114 upon 5 is less than K minus 1. Alright. So you divide 114 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 remains. 5 2s are 10. 4 remains. 0.0. 5 8s are 40. So 22.8 is less than K minus 1. Therefore 22.8, ये minus 1 ये बाजू आया plus 1 is less than K. So that gives you K. उल्टा लिखो तो K greater than. ये बाजू से पढ़ोगे तो K less than. Left से लोगे तो K greater than 23.8. 22.8 plus 1. Now which are the integers? क्योंकि K will be an integral value. So integers K will be 24, 25. All these are greater than 23.8. So the very first one. So 24th term would be the first negative term. Clear, children? Proceeding further, we finished 8 very short questions. Alright. Now the 9th one. If the sum of first P terms of an AP is AP square plus BP, find its common difference. The sum of first P terms, sum, children, that is equal to AP square plus B into P. Alright, you find out S1, take P equal to 1. So A into 1 square plus B into 1, that is A plus B. Alright children, यहाँ समझना है, sum of one term means the very first term and we can call it A1. So you got A1 here, A1 is A plus B. Now sum of two terms, that is a into 2 square plus b into 2, that is 4a plus 2b. But sum of two terms, children, is a1 plus b, a1 plus a2. Sum of two terms. Now a1 is known. So what is a1? That is a plus b plus a2 is equal to 4a plus 2b. So what is a2? Therefore, a2 is equal to 4a minus a will give me 3a, or 2b minus b will give me plus b. So this is a2. Now you are asked common difference, which is a2 minus a1. What is a2? 3a plus b minus sign. So put it in the bracket. A1 is a plus b. So 3a plus b minus a minus b. This is gone. 3a minus a is 2a. So the common difference is 2a. Is that clear? Be careful. This is number 9. Now 10. If the sum of n terms of AP, yes, this is general terms for sum, 3n square plus 5n, write its common difference. Children, find out S1. What is S1? That is 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1. That is 3 plus 5, and that is 8. And S2, that is 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. That is 4 3s are 12 plus 10, and that is 22. Alright. Now this S1 is actually your A1, and this S2, sum of two terms, that is A1 plus A2. So A1 plus A2 is 22, but A1 is 8. So 8 plus A2 is 22, which implies A2 is equal to 16. In fact, 14. A2 is 14. So you got A2 14. You got A1 8. So now you can easily find out the common difference which you are asked. Common difference is A2 minus A1. That is 14 minus 8. And that is 6. So common difference is 6. Okay. Here the common difference was 2A. Alright. Next one. Let's see. Write the expression for the common difference of AP whose first term is A and nth term is B. Alright, first term A1 is A and nth term AN is B. So write the expression for common difference. Alright children, common difference D. You have the first term and the last term. So last term AN minus first term A1 upon n minus 1. आपको पता है D is equal to AM minus AN upon M minus N. So last term AN minus first term AN upon A minus N, upon N minus 1. Now your last term is B, AN is B, and A1 is A minus A upon N minus 1. So this is your common difference. This is the expression for your common difference. Alright, 12th one. The first term of AP is P, so small a is P. Its common difference is Q, D is Q. Find its 10th term. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. Correct? Now A is P and 9 into D is Q. So its 10th term is, yes, P plus 9 times Q. Correct? Now next one, and that is 13th one. For the value of P, for what value of P? 2P plus 1, 13, and 3P minus 5P minus 3 are the three consecutive terms of AP. Children, A1, A2, and A3. Okay, what is A1? 2P plus 1, A2, 13, and A3, 5P minus 3. We know that. What? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Common difference. Alright, put the values. A2 is 13 minus bracket में 2P plus 1 is equal to A3 5P minus 3 bracket की जरूरत नहीं है minus 13. Alright, so उसका क्या हुआ? Therefore 13 minus 2P minus 1. 13 minus 1 is 12. minus 2p is equal to, this is 5p minus 3 minus 13 is minus 16. All right, ये p वाली टर्म साथ में करो, 5p plus 2p will be 7p and 12 ये plus 16 हो जाएगा 28, 7 1 जा 7 4 जा, so i.e. p is equal to 4. So the value of p will be 4 here. P is equal to 4. Okay. Next, if 4 upon 5, a and 2 are three consecutive terms of AP, find the value of a. I'm going to do directly here after doing this because it is similar. A minus 4 upon 5. A minus 4 upon 5 is equal to 2 minus a. A plus a यहाँ हुआ और ये 2 plus 4 upon 5. So 2a is equal to upon LCM 5 za 1 za 10 plus 4. So 2a is equal to 14 upon 5. 2 1 za 2 7 za. So a is equal to 7 upon 5. The value of a is 7 upon 5. Is that clear, children? Sure. Good. Fine. We have few MCQs now. All right. Objective, but they are in the form of MCQ. First one, the options are given here. Second one, the options are here. Let's see the first one, what it says. The 7th term and 13th term of AP are 13 and 64. Find its 18th term. 7th term, that is A7 is 13 and 13th term A13 is 64. Then find 18th term. Children, you can find D very easily. D is equal to A13 minus A7 upon 13 minus 7. A13 is 64. A7 is 13 upon 13 minus 7 is 6. So this is 51 upon 6. 3 2s are 3 17s are. So D is 17 upon 2. Alright, कुछ fractional value आई है. Now this A17 की formula लगा दो. A plus 6D is equal to 13 हो गया. Equal to 13. Put the value of D. So a plus 6 into 17 upon 2 is equal to 13. 2 1s are 2, 3s are. So a plus 51 is equal to 13. So a is 13 minus 51. Therefore a is equal to 11 minus 3 is 4, 4, 3 with minus sign. So a and D are available to you. Find the 18th term. Okay. What is 18th term? A18 is equal to a plus 17D. Now A is minus 34 plus 17 times D is 17 by 2. जो भी अभी now this is LCM निकालेंगे तो minus 68. 17 17s are 289 whole upon 2. Alright, 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. And then you have 2 with minus sign. So this is your 18th term. Alright children. Okay. Fine. कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है. 7th term is 13. 13th term is 64. So ascending order में तो ये नेगेटिव कैसे आया 18th term? वो तो 64 से बड़ा आना चाहिए. क्या मिस्टेक किया? D is A13 minus A7 whole upon 13 minus 7. Alright. So A13 is 64 minus 13. Oh children, mistake. Okay, ये इसी तरह से आप करिए. The big mistake I have done is 7th term is 34. I wrote 13 here. It is 34. So 7th term में 34 रखेंगे तो आपका आंसर मिलेगा. You do it now. See the method you know, procedure you know. Only wherever you came, we wrote the 13. You have to write 34. Okay. See only for this 13. A7 इसके लिए 13. इसके लिए 13 की जगह पे 34. You do yourself. Okay. चल. Number 2. If the sum of P terms of AP is Q and the sum of Q terms of terms is P, then the sum of P plus Q terms is dash. Children, sum of Q terms, sum of P terms. So SP is equal to Q and sum of Q terms. So SQ that is equal to P. तो remember ये proved result है. In fact ये proof मैं दूंगा आपको. Alright. नेक्स्ट ये इसके बाद एक सेशन में, सेकंड सेशन में भी ऑब्जेक्टिव ही रहेगा, एंड देन सम प्रूफ्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी. देन सम ऑफ p प्लस q टर्म, ये सिचुएशन में सम ऑफ p टर्म इज q एंड सम ऑफ q टर्म इज p, देन सम ऑफ p प्लस q टर्म इज माइनस ऑफ p प्लस q. सो आंसर इज डी. ये आंसर जो भी आएगा हमें मिला नहीं है, राइट? ओके, चलिए. सो दिस इज द आंसर. ये आपको याद रखना है, ये एक प्रूफ है, एक प्रूफ है, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आएगा. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट नंबर 3. द सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ AP इज दिस. सो Sn is equal to 3n square plus n, and its common difference d is 6. Then the first term is what? All right, children. S1 first term तो ऐसे भी मिल जाएगा. S1 is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, and that is 4. और वही तो first term है. So first term is 4. Here answer D. All right. Common difference की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay. Now number 4. The first and last term of AP are A and 11. First term is 1, actually 1, and last term is 11. The sum of its terms, sum of this terms, 11 terms, if sum of its terms is 36, then what will be the number of terms? आसानी से मिलेगा. इसकी फॉर्मूला सेकंड वन, 11/2 into a plus l. सॉरी, ये 11 टर्म्स नहीं, लास्ट टर्म ये है, बट सम ऑफ इट्स टर्म्स, कितनी टर्म्स पता नहीं, सम ऑफ n टर्म्स इज 36. सो n/2 into a plus l is equal to 36. फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म पता है आपको, सो पुट दैट. सो n/2 into a plus l. What is a? That is 1 plus l, that is 11, is equal to 36. So n/2 into 12 is equal to 36. 12 ones are, 12 threes are, 2 वहां मल्टीप्लाई होगा, so 6. So 6 टर्म्स का टोटल 36 है. So answer is B, 6. All right. Okay. Yeah, last term is 11, but the sum of certain number of terms is 36. We said the sum of n terms is 36. Then what is n number of terms? All right. Number 5. The sum of n terms of AP, Sn, is given as 3n square plus 5n. Then which is its 164? Which term number is 164? Goodness. All right. Okay. How do we find that? बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. पहले S1 ढूंढ लो. I'm writing directly 1 square into 3, 3, 1 into 5, 5. So that is 8. S2 ढूंढ लो. 2 square 12. Okay. And 5 2s are 10. So that will be 22. Okay. So this gives you A1 or A. This gives you A1 plus A2. ये A1 की वैल्यू यहां डाल देंगे हम लोग. So 22 is equal to 8 plus A2. So A2 is equal to 14. All right. A8, A2, 14. So common difference ढूंढ लीजिए. Common difference is A2 minus A1. So 14 minus 8, and that is 6. So common difference is 6, children. अब common difference आपके पास है. आपके पास first term है और आपको ढूंढना है which term is 164. So kth term AK is 164, suppose. All right. 164. So इसकी फॉर्मूला A plus K minus 1 into D is equal to 164. चलो A की वैल्यू क्या है? 8. D की वैल्यू क्या है? 6. So आगे plus 6 times K minus 1 is equal to 164. Calculation करिए children. Okay. So this is 8 plus 6K minus 6. 6K minus 6 is equal to 164. ये plus 2 हुआ. So 6K plus 2 is 164. So 6K is 164 minus 2, 162. All right. Hope it is a multiple of 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 7s are 42. So K is equal to 27. So 27th term is 164. Next one. If the sum of n terms of AP is 2n square plus 5n. Again, sum of n terms is 2n square plus 5n. Then its nth term. So you are supposed to find an, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a and what is d? Find out. बहुत बार ढूंढा। S1 is 2 into 1 square plus 5 into 1, that is 2 plus 5, 7, and that is A1, or you can say A, आपको A1 मिल गया। S2, 2 into 2 square, that will give me 8, 2 into 5, 10, and that is 18, but that is A1 plus A2, so A1, so 18 is equal to A1 की जगह पे 7 डाल दो plus A2, so A2 is 18 minus 7, and that is 11, so common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 7, and that is 4. So now you can put the value here. A क्या है आपके पास 7 plus D की value 4, 4 times n minus 1, that is 7 plus 4n minus 4, that is 4n plus 3. That is your nth term, 4n plus 3. That's it. I hope this session was fruitful for you. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.